I've learned a lot through trial and error, and today I'm sharing the tricks I wish I knew when I started. Tip number 1, inserting a canvas. This is effectively inserting a picture into the 3D workspace. This is very useful when designing around real-life objects that may be difficult to accurately measure, or when you have an image you would like to emboss onto an object and need to trace it. You start by selecting Insert Canvas from the Insert drop-down. This will prompt you to select the image you would like to insert. Once selected, you need to select the plane you would like to place the canvas on. You can then select the canvas from the object tree and right-click it to find the Calibrate option. This is where you adjust the image to be the proper size. You do this by selecting 2 points that you have measured and entering the real measurement between these points. The image then scales to be 1:1 with your real object. You can then use this as a stencil to trace. Tip number 2. Extruding to an object with symmetry. When extruding in Fusion 360, you have the option to extrude to an object, but this goes away when you select the direction of symmetric. There is a way around this, however. If you first select one side as the direction, then select to Object under the Distance dropdown, and select the object you would like to extrude to, you can then change the direction to symmetric, and Fusion will retain the Extrude to Object and automatically extrude the same distance in the other direction. Tip number 3. Combine plus offset. When designing, you will often want to create an object that conforms to another object, but it may have complex geometry that would be difficult to model around. This is where the Combine tool comes in handy. You start with creating a solid body that intersects with the body you would like to conform to. You then select the Combine tool, select the new body as your target, and the body you would like to conform to as the tool body. Select Cut as the operation, and make sure Keep Tool Body is checked. This will subtract the tool body from the target body. You can then use the Push-Pull tool to offset from the conformed surface to allow a gap if desired. Tip number 4. Using the Replace Face tool. This tool is very helpful when you are needing to create cutouts or extrusions from curved objects like this Pokeball. You start with 2 objects that you would like to conform to each other. Here you can see I have a sphere and a cylindrical body. I want the cylindrical body to be placed onto the sphere. This can be done by using the Replace Face tool. You start by selecting the Replace Face tool from the Modify tool options. Then select the inside face of the cylindrical body as the source face, and the sphere as the target face. This moves the inner cylindrical face to the face of the sphere. You can see that the outer face of the cylindrical body is unaffected. To remedy this, create a second sphere as a tool body that is the desired distance away from the original sphere. Then repeat the Replace Face operation with the external face. You can then hide the new sphere and see you are left with the desired outcome. Tip number 5. Using the Form tool. This is a very cool tool that allows for making complicated objects such as this balancing bird. It is essentially a sculpting tool. You start by selecting a starting shape, then assign number of divisions and symmetry. You can then drag faces, vertices, or lines to mold the object into the desired shape. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please remember to subscribe.